Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Revolut Mass Payouts, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the process of making multiple payments at once. Revolut is a popular digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including mass payouts, which can be used to pay employees, partners, or suppliers. To get started with Revolut Mass Payouts, you need to have a Revolut business account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free on the Revolut website. Once you have a business account, you can access the Mass Payouts feature from the dashboard. The first step in making a mass payout is to prepare your payout file. This file should contain the payment details, including the recipient's name, currency, and amount. You can upload your payout file in CSV format, which can be easily generated from a spreadsheet. When preparing your payout file, make sure to include all the required information, such as the recipient's account details and the payment amount. You can also add additional information, such as a payment reference or a description. Once you have prepared your payout file, you can upload it to the Revolut platform. To do this, go to the Mass Payouts section of the dashboard and click on the Upload button. Select your payout file and follow the prompts to upload it. After uploading your payout file, Revolut will review it to ensure that all the information is correct and that the payments can be processed. This review process typically takes a few minutes, but it may take longer if there are any issues with the file. Once the review process is complete, you can confirm the payout and authorize the payments to be made. You will receive a confirmation email once the payout has been processed, and the recipients will receive an email notification when they receive their payment. Best practices for using Revolut Mass Payouts include ensuring that your payout file is accurate and complete, using the correct currency and account details, and keeping a record of your payouts for accounting and auditing purposes. It is also a good idea to test your payout file before uploading it to the Revolut platform to ensure that it is formatted correctly. In conclusion, Revolut Mass Payouts is a convenient and efficient way to make multiple payments at once. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can use the Mass Payouts feature to streamline your payment processes and save time. Remember to prepare your payout file carefully, upload it to the Revolut platform, and confirm the payout to ensure that your payments are processed correctly.